VFI 2519 Brushable Hard Coat is a two-component brush-applied coating designed for small theming projects, adhesive applications, and repairs on existing damaged pieces in non-regulated environments. This rigid coating provides a durable, sandable, and paintable surface for projects that will be kept outdoors, as it creates a durable shell to protect from the elements. It is best used in temperature-controlled, low-humidity areas where spraying is not possible. Pre-mix the B side for at least 3 minutes in case settling has occurred. To extend the pot life to 15 to 20 minutes, it must be used in small batches of around 200 grams. Pre-measure the Part A and Part B at a 1A to 3.44B ratio by weight to prevent off-ratio errors. Pour the measured A side into the measured B side and mix with a paint stick until uniform. Pour the material into a second clean container and mix again to ensure uniformity before application. For adhesive applications, use a non-shedding chip or foam brush to apply the coating to the edges of the pieces you want to adhere together. After application, join the pieces and hold them together for a few seconds to ensure they stay in place. For repair applications, wait a few minutes for the material to thicken before applying. This makes it easier to fill in holes or damaged areas. A rubber scraper can be used to smooth the coating and remove excess material. VFI 2519 Brushable Hard Coat, made to repair and protect.